Everyone wants to make money in the stock market, but most beginners make the same common mistakes that you got to avoid. These mistakes don't just slow down your progress, they absolutely draw it to a standstill and they wipe out your gains before they even started to accumulate. So today, let's go over the three biggest investing mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. The first and probably the most common mistake is panic selling when the market dips. Here's what happens: you invest, things look good, then the market drops 5 to 10%, maybe 20%, and you're starting to freak out. You're like, oh man, I'm going to lose all my money on this investment. My buddy told me this was a good idea. Now I'm starting to think I don't trust this guy. This guy's not really my best buddy anymore. But historically, the market recovers. Even we saw this earlier in the year. Almost every major drop in U.S. market history has eventually been followed up by new highs. The people who sell at bottom lock in the losses, and the people who stay invested best benefit when it rebounds. So the fix here is to remind yourself you're investing for the long term. You're investing for your future and not for the next week. Unless you need the money now and you know you're gonna need the money, do not sell. And volatility is normal in the stock market. It's just one of the things you're gonna have to get used to, seeing your money going up and down. But don't get too worried about it because it's just, at the end of the day, it's just a number on a screen. The second biggest mistake is chasing hype. Whether that's buying whatever's trending on social media or making headlines. I'm thinking like meme stocks, something like I put up on the screen: Wall Street bets, penny stocks that'll go up 100x, or the next hot AI company everyone's talking about. Most beginners buy after the hype is already priced in. There, if someone's selling you a stock, it's because they already have it in at a lower price, and they're just trying to get you for the liquidity, and then get crushed when the excitement fades. Remember, by the time everyone is talking about it, it's usually too late. So the fix to this is focus on companies and investments you understand with real fundamentals. Or if you're new, just start with diversified index funds. I put up two on the screen right now instead of gambling on the favor of the month. So here I got the international ETF, which I enjoy, VXUS, and VTI, which is the US ETF, and they're both very good at what they do. They're very simple. You just put your money away and don't have to really worry about it or look at it for too long, as it's pretty safe and it's not a problem just leaving your money in there. The third biggest mistake, and honestly the root of most problems, is going into investing without a plan. Many beginners just buy random stocks with no strategy, timeline, or goal. Are you investing for 5 years? Are you investing for 20 years? Are you trying to grow wealth or generate income? Without a plan, every market dip feels like chaos, and every shiny stock looks like a new opportunity to make millions of dollars. So, in this, you got to set clear goals, decide your investing strategy, whether it's active, passive. I've put up over 7 different investing strategies you can look into on the screen right now. Just make sure whatever you look into and whatever you want to do, stick to it and use that structure to save you from emotional decisions, and continue to follow what your strategy has told you to do and continue to implement that into your daily trading. All right, so let's recap the three biggest mistakes I'm seeing here. Number one, panic selling during volatility. Number two is chasing the hype stocks. You know it's not going to work out. You know it's not going to work out. So don't make that mistake. I've done it before. A lot of people have done it before. And maybe you'll even see a little bit of gain at a little point in time, but then you'll end up losing it tenfold. And number three is investing without a plan. Definitely do not be doing that, and avoid these, and you'll be way ahead of most beginners who are just getting into the stock market. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which of these have you struggled with the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.